Hello, today I'm in Nissan Leaf. In this video I'll show you how to start navigation route. In the beginning, take a look at the screen display and go to navigation. Select new destination, and now you can select from new address, charging station, points of interest, home, quick stop, address book, history, junction, and more. Select new address, select country, postcode, city, and house. Now select start route. To stop the route, go back, navigation, and select cancel. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.